Hello, good morning, everyone. This is welcome to this channel again. This is Anything Blockchain. I am bringing you today how you can install the Notepad++ on an Ubuntu 20.04 system. I want us to know that we have various, as a programmer or software developer, we have various text editor like Sublime and the rest, but Notepad++ stands out because Notepad is a free open source code editor. It also supports several programming languages. In fact, when you look at the languages, you will be amazed. One of the good features of Notepad++ is that it is purely written in C++ and it uses the Win32 API. So based on that, I love using Notepad++ aside of my Visual Studio Code, because of the fact that when you are using Notepad++, it consumes less power. It is not power hungry. Therefore, it results to a greener environment. It means when you code with Notepad++, your laptop battery can last longer than other text editor. I have tried. I have to use a dedicated graphic card to run my Visual Studio Code. So, but sometimes I have to switch to Notepad++ because of the fact that I want to text out something. So how do you install it on Ubuntu, especially those coming into it from Windows? It doesn't take much. The only thing for you to do is to open your doors, the terminal. You just Ctrl-Alt-T. When you press Ctrl-Alt-T from your keyboard, your terminal immediately will open. When your terminal open, the next thing to do is to type in the code. We have to first of all, you must have your administrator's privilege. So you type in this code, sudo snap install notepad plus plus. The plus plus is not the sign, but the plus plus is written or spelled out, and it requests for your password. You enter your administrative password and it happens. If you don't have your administrative privilege, it might not be possible to install. So you need the administrator's privilege to install Notepad++. It is an amazing software. I tested it on Windows. Now that I'm developing more with on Linux, I had to bring those tools down to Linux, and I know there are persons who don't know how to install this on their Linux, especially when their site doesn't have much to offer in terms of the installation on a Linux system. So with this is how you make the installation. So we have to wait for the installation so that we can view our Notepad++. Yes, after that, we can now see that it has written Notepad++ 8.2.1 from Takiraza MMTRT installed. So this shows that your Notepad has been installed. And with that, we can open our Notepad++. With that, we can look for in our software directory, and then we'll locate our Notepad++, and that is it. So you can see, preparing window compatibility layer. So that is another good advantage of Notepad plus plus is that it runs on Y. So we have to wait a while so that Notepad plus plus can just open up. Now we can see that Notepad plus plus is up and running. So I can write my codes. You can now see languages, see the languages that it supports. Languages it supports. It supports Action, Script, Ada, ASP Assembly, Autorun. It accepts Batch. It accepts D. It accepts Elang, eScript, Fortran, Haskell, HTML, Inner Setup. It accepts Java, JavaScript, JSON, JSP, LaTeX, Lisp, Lua, a lot of languages, MATLAB. It accepts Object-C. It accepts R, Ruby, Rust. It accepts Swift, SQL, Smalltalk, Schema Shell. It accepts Text, TCL, TypeScript, Visual Basic, Prolog, and XML, a lot of languages. I hope that you like this installation. Please subscribe to my channel. We will be hitting you with a lot of developers tools, how you install them mainly on Linux, and how you can use them to do your blockchain development. Please hit the subscribe button, like anything blockchain. You can send it out to your friends, to your groups, so that we can receive much more subscribers. Thank you. Meet you in the next edition.